Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will preview assignment 6. And assignment 6 is not a coding assignment. It's actually a writing assignment. It's a 600 to 900 word proposal for your final project in this class. And you should answer at least these questions in that proposal of 600, 900 words about your final project. What do you want to accomplish and why? How will this help you develop the programming skills you might need in the future? Okay. If you don't foresee needing programming skills in the future, you could at least talk about like how linguists might use programming, or how computer scientists or information system analysts or whatever major your major is might need, or Acme might need programming skills. Okay. Number 2, what data will you use? How will you get it? What is your plan to carry out this project? How will you get the data? How will you accomplish the programming tasks? How will you ensure and measure accuracy of any searches that you do with regexes, for example? And what programming skills and Python data structures will you need for this project? Okay. So if you, again, I'll just jump back up here to number 1. If you don't really see yourself using programming in the future, you might just look at what opportunities there are for linguists who do programming. If you go to the linguist list is a website for linguists, and it has all sorts of information about conferences and publications and even jobs. I think it's run by IU, University of Indiana, or Indiana University. Under I think it's browse, yeah, careers. I'm at the linguistlist.org. Browse careers. You may just want to take, I don't know, a couple minutes just to search around and use some of these filters. You can do linguistic field right here, for example, and I'll specify computational linguistics and text corpus linguistics down here, text corpus linguistics. And I'll just start with that. And let's see what we got here. There's going to be jobs for professors. Like this is where jobs for professors of linguistics are posted as well. But there's also like industry stuff as well. So what do we got here? Quebec Behaviorvox. I'm not sure what this is. Principal analytical linguist. I don't even know what this is. I haven't looked at this before. Let's take a look. Quebec is the shaping the future for how businesses harness their most important raw material data. Okay, data, right. What you'll bring: strong knowledge of programming patterns in big data field or other high load. Good. Proven skills with an overall 5+ years of production experience in Python. First thing they mention is Python. Go Python. Anyway, that may not be directly, out of a bachelor's degree. You probably couldn't get that job, but let's see what this one is. Grammarly in San Francisco, California. Grammarly empowers people to thrive and connect whenever and wherever they communicate. Okay, good. We're looking for someone who embodies our eager values, ethical, adaptable to others, has a bachelor's or master's degree, or holds a PhD in linguistics. Cool. Speaks and writes English fluently. Check that out. Experience with scripting languages, preferably Python. Yes, Python is so useful in so many different fields, including linguistics. Anyway, just maybe take a few minutes just to skim through here and see what you find using these filters as you like to. You can look at specific human languages. I don't know. Do they have Danish in here? I'm trying to learn some Danish myself. I have Danish ancestry. Anyway, I won't do it right now. But so you may just want to take some time on that website or other websites, job websites, and look for linguists, or look for language engineer or language analyst or something like that to see what jobs are out there. And more often than not, having programming skills, especially in Python, is useful. Obviously, if you're in computer science or information systems, being able to program is a must, right, for your fields. I kind of didn't even mention I was clicking on here. At the very bottom of the assignment, I say see a full description to the final project here, and here's the actual page about the final project itself. So it might be good to look through here, just kind of skim through here. At this point, you don't have to prepare an oral presentation just yet, nor do you have to write up yet. But you may just want to skim through. Down here at the bottom of that page, I have some previous final projects in a PDF. So it might be good just to skim through. And the sky is the limit, really. So here's some final project from previous semesters in this class. A movie genre decision tree. Okay, doing a little bit of machine learning, making a decision tree. Analysis of tweets by company. Gender prediction of authors. Topic modeling of questions in an online form for a CS class. There's a CS major in this class in the past that was a TA for one of the CS classes, and he wanted to do topic modeling and try and figure out what questions are being asked most often to help him and others, be able to answer the questions. Snapshot of writing style, personal pronoun use by Barack Obama in all of his speeches, readability analysis, corpus construction and cleaning. I had one student make a graphical user interface. That's what GUI stands right there. GUI, concordancer of the Quran. Concordancer is when you type in a word or phrase, or I'm not sure if you use regexes, probably a regex as well. And it'll bring back that match in context in a corpus. He did that for the Quran. It's kind of cool. Using the Tkinter GUI GUI package. Anyway, so you get your data anywhere you want. Anyway, I'll let you just kind of skim through this material as you are writing your little proposal for a final project. Okay, I'm super happy to help. If you need someone to brainstorm with, I'm super happy to help you out. If you want to come into my office hour before you turn this in or while you're thinking through it. Okay, well, that is it. Best of luck. Let me know if I can help. See you next time.